Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. Today I'm going to do a grocery haul. So just a small one. I just went out, so got few things. So there's a trail mix and there's some lemon, big tortillas, some ginger, some red onion, and spicy brown mustard, a little bit of mini muffins, and some peanuts, and some mandarins, 2 bags, and some bananas. I have some sweet potatoes, 2 packages of sweet potatoes, and I have a pack of regular potatoes. So over here I have some food. This is from Chipotle. So I have some veggie bowl. Over here I got some green beans and 2 packs of this blueberries, and I got some broccoli, and I got 4 packages of spinach. So spinach, broccoli, green beans, and I got some blueberries. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.